Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are well and doing good in your studies. Students, today we are going to start second chapter of our second book, India Physical Environment, in which we will start today second unit, and the chapter is Physiography. As you know, this book is based specially on the physical environment of India. So, in the chapter Physiography, we will study the physiography of India. In this chapter, we are going to study the structure and relief and the physiographic divisions of India. All you know that Earth is having its own history. That means how the Earth has formed. Already you have studied it in your first book, second chapter. All you know that our Earth is approximately 460 million years old. During these years, there were many changes in the structure of our Earth. The structure of our Earth is referred to various things. If we will talk about the topography of our Earth, it is not same everywhere, right? And already you have studied about the physical features in your ninth class. So here also we will focus on the structure and the physiography of India. So let's start the topic. The structure of India refers to various endogenic and exogenic forces that are operating inside and on the surface of Earth. After that, many little movements were there in which the geomorphic process active in the Indian subcontinent came into existence based on the variation in its geological structure and formation. Basically, we can divide the geological regions of India into three parts. Number one, the peninsular block. Number two, the Himalayas and other peninsular mountains. And the number three, Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. So, student, it was a short introduction of the structure of India. Now, we will see the physiography of India in a short intro. Physiography. Physiography is the combination of two words. It is physical and geography. It means in the physiography of India, we will study the physical structure of India. Physiography is the subfield of physical geography that studies the physical patterns and process of Earth. Process like erosion, deposition, transportations of sediments, erodate, brought and carried away by various agents of gradation like water, wind, glacier, etc. Thus, physiography of an area is the result of geological structure and process that operate on an area. Here we can divide the physical divisions of India into six parts. Number 1, the Himalayas. Number 2, the northern plains. Number 3, the peninsular plateaus. Number 4, the Indian desert. Number 5, the coastal plains. And number 6, the icelands. Student, the chapter Structure and Physiography of India is a very important chapter. It will be useful for you in your senior class. So, we will study this chapter in various parts. So, in this video, first of all, we will cover the geographical feature, the peninsular block. What is the peninsular block? The peninsular block is Indian plate which was earlier part of the Gondwana land or plate, which broke in geological time and broken part of it moved in different direction as Indian plate, Australian plate, Antarctic plate and African plates. If we will talk about the structure and formation of the peninsular block, the peninsula is formed essentially by a great complex of very ancient granites, which constitute a major part of it. Since the Cambrian period, the peninsula has been standing like a rigid block with the expansion of some of its western coast, which is submerged beneath the sea, and some other parts change due to tectonic activities without affecting the original basement. As a part of the Indo-Australian plate, it has been subjected to various vertical movements and block faulting. The rift valleys of the Narmada, the Tapti and the Mahanadi and the Satpura block mountains are some examples of it. If we will see the rivers in the peninsular block, the major river systems of the peninsular are the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri. The Narmada, the Tapti and the Luni rivers are important. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river system. Due to this, it is also called the Dakshini Ganga. Student, the most of the hills in the peninsular regions are the relict type hills. That means the mountains are surviving there from their earlier periods in their primitive form. Aravali Range, Vindhya Satpura Range, Satmala Hills, Nilgiri Hills, Annamalai Hills, and the Rajmahal Hills are important hills in the peninsular block. And if we will talk about the importance of the peninsular block, it is useful for the economy of India because it is the storehouse of minerals like iron, bauxite, gold, copper, coal, manganese, mica, etc. And the second one, its black earth soil is very productive and are intensive give to cotton culture. So student, it was the first topic of our chapter Structure and Physiography of India. We will know more about this chapter in our next video. So till then, keep watching SST Zone.